I live in St. Catharines, and this is my backyard and my pergola that I absolutely adore.
When our friends saw it, they were totally amazed. They couldn't believe how well it worked and how easily it worked. You just push a button and the screens come down and the louvers open.
I get underneath this pergola and I know that I'm protected from the wind and from the rain, but I also get to enjoy the fresh air. And you know what, there's so many options. I have LED lights that just provide a real glow and a real atmosphere for evening events.
I added the zip screens for two reasons. One, because I'm so close to my neighbors, our yards are so small here, so I wanted some privacy. And this is a very, very gusty day today, so it's a perfect example to show people that these zip screens are basically not moving.
The structure is going to last forever. There's really no maintenance involved in it. I think that we're going to enjoy a lifetime with this product.
When the team showed up here, they were timely, they were efficient, they were polite, and they were just so proud of their product, and they stand behind their product.
They cleaned up everything perfectly. They used vacuums to clean up the debris from the job itself. We would give it a 10 out of 10. There was nothing about this project that we didn't like. It's so modern. It just fits with our lifestyle. It worked out wonderfully.
I could not give a higher recommendation than aluminum pergola. This to me is the perfect pergola.